Good afternoon, this is a BMW Grand Coupe 4 Series, secured by Vehicle Fit, 07900 60 50 40. On this model we have installed a Ghost immobiliser. Just put all lights there. So Ghost immobiliser by Autowatch. What this does, it's a it's a pin code immobiliser system basically, so requires no physical entry of a fob or a key or anything like that. It's actually a covert CAN bus controlled immobiliser which immobilises the vehicle without any obvious signs. So this is a keyless vehicle. I'm sure you all know about the problems with keyless vehicles. So to start this vehicle, I haven't put the pin code in, so it's going to be hang on, foot on the clutch. It's going to be a simulated attack. So the vehicle starts, it's a manual, this one is. Vehicle starts and runs, it revs, everything works as a normal vehicle, but when you put it in to gear, so you clutch down, gear in, when you put it into gear, it starts to go a bit crazy and it cuts out. So ignition comes back on again. I'm going to start that again, so clutch down, vehicle starts again. I should turn the indicator off. No fault codes on the dash, it just clears itself. So we'll try again. So clutch down, clutch, put this in reverse, and there we go again. We've got the dashboard goes a bit crazy, cuts out, so you can't drive this car away. So now I'll put the pin code in. The pin code's entered via various steering wheel buttons, traction buttons. I won't go through the whole list, but on this vehicle I've just kept it to the dashboard at the moment on the steering wheel. So I've just entered the pin code now. To flash confirmation, I shall now press button again. Off she starts, no fault codes. So when I put it in gear now, clutch down, into first, she's fine. So the car now is ready to go. If you can see that, it's yeah, I'm dipping the clutch, it's fine, absolutely fine. So now it's going to self-arm. When the customer gets out of the vehicle, all he has to do is turn the engine off. Engine stops. I think this one takes 10 seconds or so, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8, come on, 9, 10. My watch is, we'll try again. So now if I start the car again, she starts, but it's going to rearm now. So if I put it, clutch down, into first, off she goes again. Engine stalls. So if anyone takes the keys out your house and gets in your vehicle, you've got time to at least call the police and lock the door and prepare yourself, because they're going to be in your car trying to start it, stalling it, start it, stalling it, thinking there's something wrong. Every time you start the car and put it in gear, when you haven't entered the pin code, it's going to stall. So I'll put the pin code back in again. Hang on, I'm just going to, obviously I don't want to show you the pin code because I tell the customer to change the pin as soon as they get the vehicle. If they don't change the pin, I don't want to have told you, the customer pin code, just in case. So now it's back in, the code's been entered, clutch down, first gear, she's back to normal again. There we go. Service button on the BMW 4 Series is traction control. So if you want to put the car in for a service or a valet park, what you need to do is just disable the system as usual, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we should get a 5 flash confirmation. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the vehicle is in service mode, so you can drop your car off at the garage, give them the keys, and as long as they don't go over 30 miles an hour for I think 30 minutes, it depends on the car, I don't know all the specs, they can operate the car as usual. They can start the vehicle, turn it off, and they've got, well, 5, 6, 7, what's wrong with this bloody watch? 8, 9, 10. So now it's not going to rearm. So if I start the car again, you will see that once the lights clear. The vehicle is now back in normal mode, so clutch down, into first, she's back to normal running mode. This mode is clear by either entering your PIN or just driving home from the garage, or the easiest way is to enter the PIN. That's back into normal mode now. Yes, thanks for watching. Any questions, give me a call. The company is Vehicle Fit, based in the Midlands. I don't tend to cover much more than the Midlands because I want to. So 7900 60 50 40. Top.